to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself.
Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video and another super delicious Instant Pot recipe. Today we are making pork curry. Super easy, super delicious, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Next week, we're going on vacation. That's right, we're bringing our Instant Pot on vacation and doing some cabin cooking. You do not want to miss this episode. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious pork curry, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start by grabbing our pork chops. I have these extra thick pork chops. We're gonna slice off the fat because we don't need it for this recipe. I absolutely love my Cutco knives. I will leave a link in the description box if you would like to check them out and get a discount code for you as well. Then we're gonna slice it up and then chop it into sort of bite-sized pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have it all sliced or diced, we're gonna grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high and add some avocado oil. Grab your red curry paste. I'm using a red curry paste that I found at my local grocery store. It makes this recipe so fast and easy, great for a weeknight recipe. If you have any trouble finding it, I will leave a link to the one I found on Amazon in the description box below. We're gonna add it to the hot oil and saute it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Then we're gonna add our pork and just stir everything until all of the pork is coated in that delicious curry. Then we're gonna add some water, and you can just use 2 jars of water, so it's super easy. And make sure you scrape the bottom of the pot to remove any burned bits. Then I'm gonna add some garlic bouillon. I absolutely love using garlic bouillon because it adds so much flavor. You could also use chicken bouillon or even just vegetable bouillon if that's all you have. Then I'm gonna grab some coconut cream. I'm using full-fat coconut cream. I love the richness and depth of flavor that it provides. If you wanna lighten it up a little, you can use coconut milk, either full-fat or light, should still work beautifully. We're gonna add the entire can to the curry, the water and the cream, all of it. And then just stir it into the sauce. It does not have to completely incorporate. Place in your trivet, a heat-proof glass bowl, our rinsed and drained rice. I'm using White Basmati Rice. You can use any kind of white rice that you like. We're gonna add our water. Remember, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Stir it together. Hit cancel on the Instant Pot. Make sure your silicone ring is on. Set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. We're gonna make a carrot raisin topping. It is going to elevate this dish and give it so much flavor. If you don't like carrots or you don't like raisins, you can of course skip this step. But if you do like carrots and raisins and you have never had it on top of your rice before, you have got to try it. It is so incredibly delicious. I'm using organic carrots, but I am gonna just peel the outside because that's just what I prefer. Then I have this awesome julienne peeler. And it kind of makes just carrot strips super easily. You can do this with a knife, but it's so much easier doing it this way. I will link the one I'm using in the description box below. Then I'm just gonna cut it into like matchstick sized pieces. Add some golden raisins. You can use just regular raisins also, if you like. Mix it together and then we're gonna set it aside. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. By now your Instant Pot is done, and after 10 minutes of natural pressure, you're gonna open the lid, fluff your perfectly cooked rice. I love how easy it is to make a complete meal in the Instant Pot in such a short period of time. Remove the bowl, being very careful because it's hot. Take the trivet out, Then I'm gonna add some green beans.
I'm using frozen green beans. It makes this so easy because you don't have to saute it on the side or cook it separately in the Instant Pot. You can just throw them in there, and in a matter of minutes, it's ready. If you don't like green beans, but you love broccoli, cauliflower, whatever type of frozen vegetable that you love, you can swap in instead, and it will be delicious.
So just add them to the Instant Pot, stir everything together. So now I'm gonna hit cancel on the Instant Pot and turn it to saute. And I'm gonna just cook the sauce down just a little bit. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. Such an easy, quick recipe. Now I'm gonna plate it up. Look at this perfectly cooked white rice. Grab some of that delicious curry, add it to my bowl. Top it with some of the carrots and raisin. You can heat this up in the microwave for about 25 seconds. Makes it perfect. Add a squeeze of lime. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any other recipe ideas that you have in the comments below for a future episode. I'm gonna leave a short playlist of more delicious Instant Pot recipes on the screen over here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.